Take a look at SQ Square. So this stock, is absolutely getting hammered. Okay. It still looks like it's got more room to the downside today. A little bit of consolidation. We're kind of looking at the 4-hour time frame here, just going back to last Friday where we did kind of tag that 174.32. And then if we kind of look today at the market open here, pre-market in the first 30 minutes of the market, we did come down here and tag this 170.75. So before the market did put in a little bit of a bounce day today. With that being said, we still have to be very, very cautious taking any sort of longs. Before we start to think that the bottom is in, we're just going to need more data. We're going to need more information. Okay. We can't take the first green close on the indexes and say, okay, that's it. Okay. Everything's going higher now. That's the bottom, start buying. We can't do that. You need to stay disciplined and you have to stay patient. I don't care, what you really think. It doesn't fucking matter. Square is setting up here for possibly a little bounce. Okay. If the market wants to continue to bounce this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, here's what we're looking for here. 181.66. We're looking to break this downward. We had this big nasty red candle, a lot of consolidation here. We're looking for a break to the top side, which means getting long. We want to get long over 181, 182. We are going to have initial push up to 188, and then we're going to have more resistance here at 193. So this is how I would play it. If we break 181, 182, I'm going to look to swing this, actually day trade this long, okay, or scalp this long into 188, 189. Okay. I might even take profits at around 186, 187, just because I don't want to come into this area and get a harsh rejection and then pull back down into this 181. We really don't know if we're going any higher on Square in the short term until we get this test of this 188, get a close here, back test this 181, and now kind of have this previous area of resistance here act as support and then bounce higher. That is what it is, guys. After 193.57, we are going to have some room here. We can take a potential long over 193 into this 200 and 203 zone. Okay, that's it. I'm not looking for 227. I'm not looking for 215. I'm not looking for 210. That's exactly how I'm going to play it. 182 long, look to take profits between 186 and 189, and then call it a trade there. Back test this area, see if we could back test 182, make that a little bit of support. Next area to go long, 193.57. I'm going to be looking to take profits anywhere between 198, 199, 200, somewhere in that area. Let it back test 193 and then kind of see, do we go higher? Now to the bottom, if we do come up to this 181, 182, kind of crack it here. However, we never make it to 187 to this 20-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and we come back down, and now we start to lose this consolidation here. I'm looking to short below 170.74. If we just pull up a weekly time frame here, I know it's going to look a little crazy, but if we pull up a weekly time frame, let me kind of zoom out here. If we start losing this 170, this thing's got room all the way down to 152, 150, okay, 144 even. So this could this potentially bleed out if the market wants to take another leg lower? Of course. If we want this to go higher, we really need to see a nice push up, back test, push higher, back test, push higher, back test. Realistically, we got at least about a week worth of price action before we can really say that the bottom is in on Square. But if you do want to play it, on a day trade level, on a scalpers level, those are the areas that you want to look for. 182 long, look to take profits somewhere in here, 186 to 188, and then anything over 193 into potentially 199, 200, 201. Those are the first two areas of concern. We lose 170.74, look to hold that short, and then look for the back test back into 171, 172 rejection, and then come back down again for a continued flush. I hope that kind of helps, guys. If you want, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, give me a thumbs up on this video. I would highly appreciate that. Share this video, comment, like it. And until next time, I'll see you guys all in the next video.